but I wanted to give you guys my top tips for staying fit and healthy on vacation. I really wanted to share with you guys that on Monday I launched my free so many. You just want one leaf? All right, you guys, I just wanted to sit down. As you guys can see, We're still in Maui, but I wanted to give you guys my top tips for staying fit and healthy on vacation, okay? Because I feel like when we go on vacation, it's like eat all the food, drink all the drinks, like we let go of our healthy lifestyle, all of our habits. All right, you guys. So I just wanted to give you guys my top tips on how I'm staying fit and healthy on this vacation. And I think the number one tip is that I have planned ahead. I thought about the foods that I wanted to eat while I was here. I made sure to pack my protein. I brought my collagen proteins for my smoothies and for my coffee, which just sets me up for success in the morning. I also continue to take my supplements every day. In the thought process of planning ahead, I also make sure to pack healthy snacks whenever I go out to the beach, to the pool, anywhere I go, I take healthy snacks and my water bottle with me. That way I have a healthy option and something to eat. That way I'm not starving when I get back to the condo. I do have a special situation in the fact that I do have SIBO gut issues and I can't just eat whatever I want out. I get that, but something that having SIBO has really taught me was to be very prepared for going out and going places, is making sure I have good food with me. Another big one is that healthy habits don't go out the window just because I'm on vacation. I'm still drinking my green smoothie every day. I'm eating healthy foods every day because they make my body feel good. I used to go on vacation and it was like the second I got on the plane, I would just start drinking, and I would drink the entire time I was here, and I would eat foods that made me feel like in the moment I really enjoyed them, but then they'd make me feel really crummy later. Now I choose foods that make me feel good all the time. Like that's just how I live. And so when I'm on vacation, it's no different. So we've been barbecuing a lot. I've been able to eat out once because we had sushi. I'll insert a clip. I just ordered some sushi. I was able to have a little bit of rice. It was perfect. Love it. But continuing to eat my green smoothie every day just keeps me on track with my goals because I'm getting my greens, I'm getting my protein, I'm getting healthy fats in, and it's just so important to continue our healthy habits even when we're on vacation. They don't need to just be thrown out the window. It's not like, you know what I mean? You can continue to do your healthy habits even on vacation, and that's what I'm choosing to do for me. And then tip number 3, you guys, is just continue moving. Take the stairs. Like we're on level 4 of our condo, and so I take the stairs every single time we go up and down. So that's 4 flights of stairs, and I do at least 10 times a day. You know what I mean? We go on walks, we play in the pool, make movement fun, but just include your healthy lifestyle during your vacation. So continue to walk, continue to move your body. Don't just be sitting sedentary. Does that make sense? I also continue my 30 minutes of movement every day. That has been my goal for the last several months. As you guys know, if you guys follow my channel, 30 minutes of movement a day, and that does not change just because I'm on vacation. Does the movement look different when I'm on vacation? Absolutely. I don't have weights here. I can't, do heavy leg days or whatever, but I've been doing 30-minute no equipment workouts with Sydney. As you guys saw earlier, I did a beach workout. It was 20 minutes, and then I did a 10-minute walk on the beach. I just moved my body. I worked up a sweat, and it just felt so good. It just feels so good. I've also had a major mindset shift around working out around vacation. I used to be in the mindset that I had to earn my cocktails, or I had to earn the dinner I was gonna go out to, or that I was punishing myself for drinking the drinks or eating the food. So I would wake up really early and I would go running, and I would run, and the entire time I would be like, I hate this, I absolutely hate this, I absolutely hate this. Now I move my body because that's what feels good for me. Again, I only do 30 minutes a day because I want to be present with my family. I want to spend time with them, but also my body craves movement, and I feel so much better in my mind and my body when I work up a sweat and when I just get some movement in. So making sure to do my 30-minute workout that I want to do, that I am enjoying doing, is huge. I don't force myself to go on a run that I absolutely hate because I'm punishing myself anymore. I choose to do something that I absolutely love because I really want to move my body. All right, you guys, so that is how I'm staying fit and healthy this time on vacation. I'm truly just doing movement that I love, eating foods that make my body feel good. I don't feel like I have to drink all the drinks and eat all the food just because I'm on vacation. Like, I get to eat the foods that make my body feel good and enjoy a cocktail or a glass of wine with my husband when I want to, but I don't feel the need to do things that I don't want to do. And I also just want to eat and move my body in a way that makes me feel good every day. And so that is what I'm choosing to do on this vacation. Hello friends, editing Charlene here. Sorry, we've been at the pool all day, but I was going back through my footage, and because of all the construction, I had to cut out this piece right here. And so I really wanted to share with you guys that on Monday, I launched my free 7-day meal plan to kickstart your healthy life. And you guys, if you are enjoying the content of this video, you are not gonna wanna miss this. It is linked in the description box down below, but you guys, the whole point of this meal plan is that it's not your typical meal plan. Do you get 7 days worth of delicious, healthy recipes? Yes, absolutely. But there is mindset work, there's a daily journal, there's some journal prompts in there for you. I give you guys my best tips and tricks that have transformed my life and my body, and it's all wrapped up in a beautiful little package for you guys. It's easy to read. It's packed full of so much good information. It's got delicious, healthy recipes. At the end of the 7 days, you're gonna have tools to lean on, recipes to go to when you're hungry but you don't know what to eat, and major mindset shifts that are going to start catapulting you towards the body of your dreams and the healthy lifestyle that you have been craving. So go download it right now. It's 100% free. I made it just for you guys. The link is in the description box down below. I absolutely cannot wait to hear what you guys think about the recipes and what major mindset shifts have been coming through for you, or what limiting beliefs have been holding you back from the healthy lifestyle of your dreams. So let me know in the comments down below. Give me a little hands up emoji if you guys are going to be downloading the free 7-day meal plan. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So the morning that we flew home, you guys, I had to get up so early just to finish packing, cleaning the condo, but my body was craving movement, knowing that I was going to be sitting on a plane for the next 5 hours. So I decided to do a quick 20-minute workout in the living room while everybody was still asleep, and then I enjoyed my coffee out on the lanai. If this was content that you guys like to see, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and stick around because staying fit in fall and all the fun fall recipes are coming your way so soon. I love ya, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!